So here I have my house alarm version 1. The Arduino is plugged into my computer and it's powered on. The code is uploaded to the Arduino. Here I have my 3 different LEDs. I didn't have a white one, so I'm using a blue LED. These buttons right here is the main door and windows and door. I didn't have a switch, so I have a wire coming from the pin that would be on and off into ground, meaning it is on at the moment. So let's say if I press this button right here, the blue LED will start blinking, meaning the alarm is going off, meaning sirens will go off. Now if I just reset this, the alarm is on but it is not going off. If I was to turn off the alarm, I would pull this wire switch and the red LED going on, meaning the alarm is off. So even if I press this button right here, the blue LED won't be flashing. Even if I reset the power, it will still be off until I put this wire back in and the system is now back on. And that's the house alarm version 1.